everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use a hot wire bottle cutter. A hot wire bottle cutter is a specialized tool used in laboratories and industries for precise bottle cutting. It works by heating a thin wire to a high temperature which melts through the plastic, creating a clean and accurate cut. The heating wire operates at a controlled temperature range, typically between 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, depending on the thickness and material of the PET bottle. Before we begin, make sure you have a hot wire bottle cutter, a PET bottle for testing, and safety gloves and goggles for protection. Now let's power up the cutter, plug it in and turn it on. The wire will heat up within seconds, reaching the desired temperature for cutting. Now placing the bottle for cutting. Unlike traditional cutters in this machine, the bottle does not rotate. Instead, it is firmly placed on the holder and the hot wire is adjusted to make precise sections. And then cutting the bottle. Once the bottle is secured, carefully lower the hot wire onto the mark section. The heat will melt through the plastic, ensuring a clean and smooth cut. There is no need to rotate the bottle. The cutter does all the work. Then checking the cut sections. Once the cutting is done, you will have precise section of the bottle which can be used for thickness measurement, quality testing and structural analysis. Now that's how you use a hot wire bottle cutter. It ensures accuracy, efficiency and compliance with international testing standards. For more information, visit Pacorr.com.